In this video, we're going to look at compound volume. Now, just like when we work out compound areas, we split a shape into regular shapes that we can work out and then add the volumes together. So for this L shaped here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line down here and I'm going to work out the area of that part and that part there and then add them together. So the volume of one, well, they're both going to be cuboids, so that's L times B times H. Well, the volume of one, then the length of it, well, this bit here is the same as this bit up here, so that's 1, times its breadth. Well, that's the distance from the front all the way to the back. Well, that's the same distance here, same length, so that's going to be 8. And its height, well, that is this 2 centimeters from here, and then the 1 centimeter here, so that is going to be 3. So the volume of 1 is 24 centimeters cubed. Volume of 2, well, that's again L times B times H. A little bit easier to see this one. The length of it is from here to here. Well, that's the same as that one there, so that's 2 centimeters. Its breadth is 8 centimeters. And its height, well, it's only a little height here. It's just that 1 centimeter. So this volume of 2 is 16 centimeters cubed. So the total volume, which is what I would like, is going to be 24 plus 16. So it is 40 centimeters cubed. In this question here, we have a cone with a hemisphere on the end of it. So I'm going to work out the area of the cone, the volume of the cone, and then the volume of the hemisphere and add them together. So the cone, let's do that one first. So the volume of a cone is 1/3 times pi r squared h. And if I sub in my values, I'm going to get 1/3 times pi. Now the radius is given as 12, so it's 12 squared, and the height of the cone is 23. Put that into my calculator and I get 3468.318, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So rounding that, but keeping that number as much as I can in my calculator, or just writing down as I've done as many decimal places as I can, 3,468 centimeters squared. Now, the hemisphere, the formula for that, well, it's a part of a sphere, so 4/3 pi r cubed, and it's only half of it, so I'm going to times that by half. So putting in, well, the only value I need to put in is the radius, which we know is 12, and then obviously it gets cubed. So putting that all in one go, we're going to get 3699.1147, etc. So that's 3,699 centimeters cubed. And then add my two values together. So 3468 plus 3699, and that will give me 7087.43, because I've kept the using the unrounded versions. And if so let's round it to 3 significant figures. 7 will tell me if I round up or stay the same. So I round up. So that is then my answer, 7,090 centimeters cubed.